Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of blending with our top picks for the best blenders of 2024. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a culinary artist, or simply looking to upgrade your blending game, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1 in the realm of kitchen appliances, the Vitamix 5200 stands as a titan, a true cornerstone for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. Renowned for its power, versatility, and durability, this blender transcends mere kitchen gadgetry to become an indispensable tool for unleashing culinary creativity. At the heart of the Vitamix 5200 lies a robust 2-peak horsepower motor, capable of pulverizing even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether it's transforming fibrous kale into silky smooth green smoothies or effortlessly grinding grains into flour for wholesome baking, the 5200 delivers consistent, reliable performance every time. But its prowess extends beyond mere blending. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, granting users the freedom to achieve the perfect texture, from velvety purees to chunky salsas. Moreover, with the included tamper, thick mixtures can be effortlessly processed, ensuring every blend is flawlessly executed. From soups to sauces, nut butters to frozen desserts, the Vitamix 5200 empowers culinary experimentation, encouraging users to push the boundaries of flavor and texture. Its durable construction and industry-leading warranty provide peace of mind, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their culinary pursuits. In essence, the Vitamix 5200 isn't just a blender, it's a catalyst for culinary innovation, inspiring creativity and elevating every dish to new heights. Number 2 in the realm of culinary innovation, the Breville Super Q blender stands as a beacon of excellence, empowering chefs and home cooks alike to explore boundless possibilities in the kitchen. With its unmatched performance and versatility, this powerhouse appliance revolutionizes the art of blending. Crafted with precision engineering, the Super Q boasts a robust 1800-watt motor that effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients, from fibrous vegetables to frozen fruits, ensuring silky smooth textures every time. Its innovative noise reduction and cooling system guarantee quiet operation and prolonged usage, granting uninterrupted culinary journeys. Equipped with an array of intelligent features, the Super Q offers unparalleled control over blending consistency, with 12 speed settings and 5 one-touch programs tailored to specific culinary tasks. Whether whipping up velvety soups, creamy nut butters, or indulgent smoothies, precision is always at your fingertips. Furthermore, its advanced technology includes a unique Vac Q accessory, enabling users to vacuum blend ingredients for superior flavor preservation and enhanced nutrient retention. This innovation exemplifies Breville's commitment to elevating the blending experience to new heights. With its sleek design and intuitive functionality, the Breville Super Q blender transcends ordinary blending to inspire culinary excellence. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous home cook, unleash your creativity and elevate your dishes with the Super Q as your trusted kitchen companion. Number 3 the KitchenAid K400 blender redefines blending excellence, inviting culinary enthusiasts to embark on a journey of flavor and innovation in the heart of their kitchen. With its powerful performance and thoughtful design, this blender empowers users to effortlessly achieve culinary mastery. At the core of the K400 lies a robust 1200-watt motor, engineered to effortlessly blend through even the toughest ingredients with ease. From velvety soups to silky smoothies, its precision blending ensures consistent results every time, allowing for the creation of culinary masterpieces. Equipped with intuitive controls and variable speed settings, the K400 offers unparalleled versatility, enabling users to customize their blending experience to suit their unique culinary preferences. Whether you're pureeing, emulsifying, or crushing ice, the K400 delivers impeccable results with just the touch of a button. Furthermore, its innovative design features a uniquely designed asymmetric blade that creates a powerful vortex for thorough blending, ensuring every ingredient is fully incorporated for optimal flavor and texture. With its sleek aesthetic and durable construction, The KitchenAid K400 blender is not just a kitchen appliance. It's a culinary companion that inspires creativity and elevates every dish to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, let the K400 be your trusted ally in the pursuit of culinary excellence. Number 4. The Nutribullet Pro 900 reigns supreme as the ultimate kitchen companion for health-conscious individuals seeking to blend their way to wellness. With its powerful motor and compact design, this blender delivers unparalleled performance and convenience, allowing users to create nutrient-rich smoothies, soups, and more with ease. Equipped with a robust 900-watt motor, the Nutribullet Pro pulverizes fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into silky smooth concoctions, unlocking the full potential of every ingredient. Its high-torque power base effortlessly breaks down tough fibers, ensuring maximum nutrient extraction for optimal health benefits. Featuring a compact and user-friendly design, the Nutribullet Pro is perfect for busy individuals who value efficiency without sacrificing quality. Its intuitive one-touch operation makes blending a breeze, while its portable size allows for easy storage and on-the-go usage, empowering users to maintain their healthy lifestyle wherever they go. Moreover, the Nutribullet Pro comes complete with BPA-free cups and lids, making it convenient to blend and take your creations with you on your daily adventures. Whether you're whipping up a nutrient-packed breakfast smoothie or a post-workout refresher, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is your ticket to delicious and nutritious living. Say hello to a healthier you with every blend. Number 5. The Ninja Professional Blender stands as a pinnacle of blending excellence, offering unmatched power and versatility to home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. With its robust motor and precision blades, this blender empowers users to create an array of delicious and nutritious concoctions with ease. Powered by a formidable 1000-watt motor, the Ninja Professional Blender effortlessly pulverizes ingredients to create silky smooth smoothies, creamy soups, and velvety sauces. Its total crushing blades deliver unparalleled blending performance, effortlessly breaking down even the toughest ingredients for consistently smooth results. Equipped with multiple speed settings and preset programs, the Ninja Professional Blender offers unmatched control and customization, allowing users to achieve their desired consistency with precision. Whether you're blending fruits and vegetables for a refreshing beverage or crushing ice for a frosty treat, this blender has you covered. Furthermore, the Ninja Professional Blender boasts a sleek and durable design, featuring a large capacity pitcher perfect for blending batches of your favorite recipes. Its easy-to-clean construction and dishwasher-safe parts ensure hassle-free maintenance, making it a convenient and reliable addition to any kitchen. Experience the ultimate blending power and versatility with the Ninja Professional Blender. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, elevate your culinary creations to new heights with every blend.